Hello there. So you want to know how you can download Twitch clips? So this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Let me just head into twitch.tv and then look for a channel which has clips. So as you can see, there is this little clip that has just been clipped. Whether it's even your own clip, then you can still go ahead and download it. All you need to do is simply go ahead and copy this URL. And as you can see, there are a couple download landscape version and download portrait version options right over here. You can go ahead and do that as well directly. And there you go. As you can see, the clip is right over here and it is currently working. But what it's going to do is it's simply going to go ahead and put the little thing on the bottom, right? So that is about it. Or you could also simply go ahead and search for clip downloader Twitch, and then you can just use the third-party application by just pasting that clip link, and then you can simply go ahead and download it right over here. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.